Hey guys, so in today's video I'll be unboxing the MI Smart Band 4. It's got AMOLED color touchscreen, it's got a heart rate monitor, it's waterproof up to 50 meters and it can control music on your phone. So let's quickly unbox this. There's not much happening in the box. So as you can see, it's pretty straightforward. You have your band and yeah, you have your dock or your charging cable and some user manual. Of course we are not touching that. Let's first check the band. Keep that aside. Okay, there you go. So as you can see, the band is pretty compact and the build quality is actually very good. I mean, this is a band where you can wear it and sleep. You shouldn't have any problem with it. Yeah, it's pretty soft. Let's go through the menu. So yeah, so if you swipe up or swipe down, it will take you to the menu. So you have status, you have heart rate, you have workout, weather, notifications, and more. What we are more interested in here is your heart rate monitor and what kind of workouts it supports. So in workout, you have outdoor running, you have treadmill, cycling, walking, freestyle, and pool swimming. That's good. Okay. Now, one thing you would have noticed, if I swipe left or swipe right, it shows you the phone controls. Of course, it's not connected to a phone right now, but then as you can see, there's play, forward, and rewind option there. Let's quickly check how comfortable it is on your wrist. So I'm just going to wear it. Just a second. Okay. Yeah, it's actually very comfortable. Yeah. So let's try the heart rate monitor. Let's see how it works. It does take some time. 95. Oh, okay. Okay, so stopped at 93. Okay. So on the main screen, you have your time, you have your date, day, your battery, Bluetooth, how many steps you've taken, and your heart rate. Now, what I understand is you can keep your heart rate monitor on this, band for 24 hours, and you will still get at least 20 days of battery life. That's pretty amazing. That's your heart rate sensor there. Now let's see how it charges on the dock. So I'm just going to take this out. So there's your dock. All you need to do is just connect it to the pins. Let's put a shorting click there. And then you have your USB port. So what you can do is you can either connect it to your adapter or to your laptop. Yeah, and it should pretty much charge there. Yeah. Okay. I think that is it, guys. If there's anything specific that you want me to make a review upon, or if there's a long-term review that you want me to make, then do let me know in the comment section. Yeah, I'll be using this as my daily watch. So I'll let you know in a week's time or so how this performs when it comes to battery life, and other options on this device. Yeah. But for now, yes, the display is actually pretty crisp. I think you shouldn't have any problem, going out in sunlight, and yeah, it should if you actually see from any angle, it does not shift colors much, so that's a pretty good thing. Yeah, so that's it from the unboxing side. If there's anything you guys have questions about, then do let me know in the comment section, and very soon I'll be making a long-term review on this one. Yeah, until then, thank you for watching. Stay at home, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Take care. Peace.